Hi, fourth graders, and you guys are the syllable group, and we're going to look at dot, spot, divide. So we're going to look at a couple of words. The first word we're going to look at is record. I recommend that you get out a pencil, paper, whiteboard, marker, and do this with me. So we have the word record, and we are going to try to figure out how to break this into syllables. So first you find all the vowels, okay? I'm going to put that in a slightly different color. So red will be a little easier to see. So I'm going to underline the vowels here. And the vowels tell me probably where each syllable will be. So since there's two vowels in here and they're separated, this will probably be a two-syllable word is my prediction. So now I spotted the syllables. Now I'm going to look for the blends. There is no blends. Blends are like M, B, P, R, T, H, B, R, P, those sort of things. So there's no blends. There's no silent E. There are no all-controlled vowels like AR, UR, ER, those sort of things. So at this point, what I'm going to do, so the blends, you don't break a blend up. There's no vowel teams like EA, OA, IA. There's no vowel teams. So vowel teams, blends, trigraphs, I can't break those up. So at this point, I'm going to have to say that I can go ahead and look for, I'm gonna look for where can I break my syllable. So if I say it, I can either clap it out, record. So I know there's two syllables. So when I dotted, so I spot, I dot, I spot, and then I'm gonna I'm looking for, I point, draw an arrow to the consonant before the vowels. So that tells me where does my syllables begin. So I'm going to break it right there. Record. First syllable, second syllable. Okay? Let's look at another word. We're going to look at the word solitary. Okay? So you're going to say solitary. So there's going to be 4 syllables to this guy. Okay, so how do we break it? So we already know that when we break something, we have to look for we're going to look for the vowels. So I'm going to go back and put that in red so you can see it. There's a vowel, vowel, vowel. Okay, and I'm going to grab, so I'm looking for, there's AR has to stay together because that's our control. So it's its own thing. So we treat it as one unit. So when I grab that, I'll do this. Okay? Y is always its own thing as well. If you have suffixes like LY, S, ES, Y, they're their own thing as well. So I'm just going to keep that as by itself. Then this needs that. And I am going to then grab solitary. So we're saying, if you're looking at this word, you would have to break this one here because that's sol. Solid, sol. So solitary. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Okay. Let's look at the word elastic. So you're going to look for the vowel team. And this one is going to be a little bit tougher because E is its own thing. So E will break, is going to be elastic, elastic, tick. So this can keep, you can break that there, right there, you can break it. Elastic. I grab, I just dropped my pen. Because this is a short A, I have to have this closed. This is a short I have to close that. So this one kind of has a vowel team right here. That has like a ST, could be a blend, an ending blend, last, st. But because it's a, it needs to be closed. And that's a t, it needs to be closed. E on this is open. So this one's kind of an odd one that, yes, it has a blend, but you do have to break it between that blend because this A is short and this I is short, and short vowels need to be closed. So this S has to close the A and the C has to close the I. Okay? So those are just some things that you need to remember when you're practicing your syllables. Okay? Questions? Let me know.